Alright, so we have identified the greater of two fractions. Now what does that mean? We will be given two fractions and we need to identify which one is larger and which one is smaller. Alright, so let's start with positive fractions. Consider that we have 5 nines and 2 nines. Which one is larger? Well, because 5 is larger than 2, then we can say that 5 nines is larger than 2 nines. That's what that means simply, in other words. Okay, since they have the same denominator, you look at their numerators. So which one is larger? Let's go with a negative value now. Negative say 2 nines and negative 4 nines. Now here you have to be careful because negative 2 is larger than negative 4. The more you go to your left hand side of the number line, the smaller you become, and so negative 4 is farther than negative 2. Therefore we can say the negative 2 nines is larger than negative 4 nines. That is when they have like denominators. So when they don't have like denominators, now what is the process? Well, the process is not much. Take for example, now we have fractions. Which fraction is bigger? Which fraction is larger? Let me put that. So if I have 3 tenths or 3/4, which one is larger? Well, don't confuse the top value in this case. In this case, you're gonna go by this method. You need to go and get the two denominators to look alike or to have the same value. So we have to find the LCD. So LCD of 10 and 4 will be 20. So therefore I must get this to equal to 20 at the bottom, and I must get this to equal to 20 at the bottom. So you have 3/10 and 3/4. 10 times 2 will give me 20. 4 times 5 will give me 20. This now gives me 3 times 2, which is 6/20. 3 times 5 will give me 15/20. Now we can go back and recall this concept here. They have like denominators, and the larger the numerator is what tells you who's larger. Therefore we can say that 1520 is larger than 620. Okay, that's how we work out those ones there.